I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. So you've got a repair job and you have two options. You can use JB Weld Original Cold Steel, or you can use JB Weld Kwikweld. Which do you use? Well, let's compare.
On the left, you'll notice the JB Weld Original Cold Steel comes in 2 tubes. And on the right, you'll notice the JB Weld Kwikweld comes in 1 convenient syringe. On the right, we've dispensed even parts of the Kwikweld epoxy and hardener, but we're still dispensing on the left. Mixing is the same for both. You just work the cold steel and hardener until it's all gray. We're just about there. Now it's time for application. Both products go on the same way.
Now it's at this point that I noticed that the JB Weld Kwikweld was starting to set up and was less malleable compared to the JB Weld Cold Steel. So let's compare. JB Weld Original Cold Steel has a 4 to 6 hour set time, 24-hour cure time. JB Weld Kwikweld has a 6-minute set time, 6-hour cure time. After a year of both of these repairs that you saw on your screen, both are holding strong. So, if you want a quick job that's just as strong, you may want to consider JB Weld Kwikweld. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. For more JB Weld videos, click the image on your screen now. Also, consider subscribing so you don't miss another informative episode of Field Guided DIY.